Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to look into Unit 2 Supplementary Reader The Apple Tree and the Farmer. The Apple Tree and the Farmer. Last week, what lesson we have discussed? About trees poem, right? Yes. In that, what and all we have seen banyan tree, peepal tree, coconut tree, neem tree, etc. are useful to us. In what manner it is useful to us? We have discussed about all these trees. Yeah. Today the topic we are going to discuss is once again the apple tree and the farmer. Once upon a time there was a farmer. He lived in a village up in the hills beside a forest. In his farm he grew many kinds of vegetables. In between he had an apple tree. Have you seen apple tree, children? See, look at the apple tree. This is the apple tree. Okay. Now, for many years, the farmer and his family had enjoyed the tastiest apple from the tree. As a boy, the farmer and his friends played under the apple tree. They played hide and seek around the tree. They climbed over the tree and swung on it. And in season, they plucked and ate the apples. In India, which state is famous for apples? Yeah, Jammu and Kashmir. We are receiving many apple boxes from Jammu and Kashmir. Export apples, everything is from Jammu and Kashmir. As the years passed, the boy grew into a man. He took over the farm and continued to enjoy the fruits from the tree. In the meantime, many small animals and birds started living in the tree. Have you seen lot of birds living together in a tree? The man's children and their friends started playing under it. The large and shady apple tree now grew old and was bearing very less fruits. It was nice to sit under its shade in the summer, but nothing grew under it. The farmer felt the space could be used to grow some vegetables, and the wood of the apple tree will be helpful for him to build a new room in his house. Therefore, he decided to cut the apple tree. He did not think about the wonderful times he and his friends had playing around the tree, or the delicious apple what he ate previously. Since this tree lost its usefulness, now the farmer decided to cut down. When the farmer took his axe and began chopping the tree, all the little animals and birds that live and insects, even insects that lived in the tree came rushing down. They started running round in alarm. See, have you seen the pictures how the birds are flying around, making some squeaking noises, chirping sounds, the squirrels squeaking sounds? The farmer, however, forgot his childhood and his animal friends. he began to chop the tree harder. Still, he is not convinced anything. He started chopping the tree harder. All the little animals became desperate and wanted to protect the apple tree at any cost. They ran around in circles, making a huge commotion. This is nothing but these animals, little animals, making huge noises, inviting others for help. This brought the children out. The farmer's daughter and her friends began to plead him. They gathered around the farmer and said, "Please don't cut the tree. We play here just like you did. These small animals lived here. If you cut the tree, where do they go? You can enjoy the shade when you become old." It is a beautiful tree. Like that, they tried to convince the father. All of a sudden, the farmer noticed a small fruit hanging from the branch. It was an apple and looked as delicious as the one he ate as a boy. See, when he saw that particular apple, he recalled his childhood days. He plucked it and bit into the juicy fruit. The memories of the fun he had as a boy came rushing back. When his daughter saw the changed expression of her father, she started pleading harder. The farmer now put down his axe. He understood that the tree was the home to many animals and birds. He wanted his little girl to have the childhood that he had had. So he threw away the axe and said his daughter, "I promise I will never cut this tree." Thus the story ends. Children, I'm happy you all listened very carefully. Be safe. Don't go outside. Whenever you are going outside, always wear a mask. Learn your lessons well. All the best. Bye. Thank you.